Hey y'all, it's Wolfman Snaps, and welcome back to Full Moon Fireworks. Today we're looking at Mega Smoke from Heavyweight. That's American Wholesale Fireworks own house brand. Look at these things, man. This is a hefty package of smoke tubes, boy. Must have been its weight in shipping, man. This is super heavy, which means hopefully this is going to release out a fuming, and I mean fuming amount of colored smoke. Now check that eagle. Man, if you don't like this eagle, are you even American? Are you even celebrating the 4th of July this year? I don't know. I tell you, everybody's killing it with these labels, but Dominator and American Wholesale Fireworks, boy, they must be in cahoots because their labels are killing it this year. Anyway, all right, that's enough. Let's open them up and see what they look like. Okay, y'all, here's white. All right, white smoke.
That's fuming.
Wow.
Still going. Still going. Stop it.
Here's yellow. Very nice.
Okay. Yellow. Bubbling in there. Hold your breath. That was a banana fart.
Here's green, y'all. Man, these tubes are heavy.
Green. At least that's verde in this county. Or Spanish. For nerds out there, that's a VFD, Verdant Flame Device. If you know, you know. Clocked in at 49 seconds.
Here's blue.
Wow.
Look at that blue. You know what we got to do.
Blue. I love blue.
Oh, it's flaming.
Woo. On the distance, it almost looks purple. That one only came in at like 45 seconds. Okay.
I don't know. What would you call this one, y'all? Fuchsia? Pink? Magenta? America?
Okay. Pink? See, this is pink. Or brown? Orange? Magenta? Okay, orange at the bottom. and then pink at the top. That is fuming. Wow. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. They're still orange at the bottom and then pink at the top. Okay. That was nice. 52 seconds.
Here's my all-time favorite. Purple.
Alright, last one, purple. Here we go. Wolfman Snamp's favorite color. Brown, purple. Look at that. Yeah, you see it. It's blown everywhere. It's like purple Vesuvius. I like it. Look, the stuff in there is bubbling. Yeah. Yeah, it's still going. We're at 50 seconds and it's not stopping.
Not gonna work out, that's for sure.
Wow, 1 minute. 101. I'm counting it. 101.
Okay, y'all, we're back. And let me tell you something. You might notice that the format has changed a little bit. We are now horizontal instead of vertical. Well, we thought we were making a short out of these things, and no, we did not. This is going to be a long format video, so I'm sorry for the portrait view, but or the vertical view, however you want to look at it. But we filmed them, y'all. I think they're great. I think they're long lasting. I think they're super vibrant. I think the blue was a little weak, but the green was fantastic. The pink was great. The pink was really good. And you know, that purple was killer in my opinion. So there they all are. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tubes of color smoke. And I think they were about, 6, excuse me. Oh, I didn't see the one in the back there. I missed the magenta. 2, 4, yep, 2, 4, 6. And I'd say they last how long, son? What do you think? A minute?
Average 50 seconds to a minute.
There you go, 50 seconds to a minute. And if you're thinking about doing an order with American Wholesale, why not pick these up? I mean, y'all got to be lighting fireworks during the day, right? You're just not going to be lighting bangers all night, are you? You got to do something during the day.
Something to fill the void.
Well, there are daytime salute cakes, plenty of those, and the dark salutes, and the salute rockets. But don't leave these smokes hanging. They're great. They're great. They're great daytime product, and I love them. And you know what? It sounds weird, but we might keep these tubes. They're just great. I wish I brought more. I wish I brought. Look at that grasshopper. Thing is massive. Anyway, y'all. Okay. Let us know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And always be a light in the dark.